What nutritional value does oxtail have?
Hello, health and food enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a meat cut you might not think about often, but which is actually a nutritional powerhouse. That's right, we're talking about oxtail. Stick around as we uncover the surprising nutritional benefits of this unique meat.
What is oxtail?
Before we dive into the nutritional content, let's first understand what oxtail is. Oxtail is the tail of a cow. It was originally the tail of an ox, hence the name, but today it refers to the tail of a cow, regardless of sex. It's rich in flavor and is often slow-cooked in stews and soups.
Nutritional profile of oxtail.
Now that we know what oxtail is, let's talk about its nutritional content. Per 100 grams of cooked, lean oxtail, you can expect roughly calories, 250 protein, 26.5 grams, fat, 16 grams, carbohydrates, 0 grams. The high protein content makes oxtail a great source for muscle building and repair. It's also low in carbohydrates, which may make it suitable for those following a low-carb or ketogenic diet. However, remember, it's also quite high in fat, so portion control is key to enjoy this tasty treat while maintaining a balanced diet.
Vitamins and minerals in oxtail.
Beyond macronutrients, oxtail is also packed with a variety of vitamins and minerals. Some of these include vitamin B12, essential for brain function and creating red blood cells. Zinc, important for immunity, protein synthesis, and DNA formation. Iron, necessary for the production of hemoglobin and muscle function. But where oxtail truly shines is its high collagen content. Collagen is a key component for skin, bone, and joint health.
Oxtail, a staple for bone broth.
One of the most popular ways to consume oxtail is in a bone broth, which is known for its health benefits. Cooking oxtail for a long period allows the bone marrow and collagen to seep out, enriching the broth with nutrients that can support gut health, skin health, and joint health. So there you have it. Oxtail, this often overlooked cut of meat, is not just a culinary delight, but also a nutrition-packed choice that can be a beneficial addition to your diet. However, due to its high fat content, remember to consume it in moderation. We hope you found this information about the nutritional value of oxtail enlightening. Keep exploring, stay healthy, and as always, savor the flavor.